This is the tree that I use for my ornament collection. I haven't had this over here the last couple of years, and consequently I haven't used my ornament collection, but I've got it here now. So we're going to use it this year, but we have to kind of check it out for its integrity, because this unfortunately got stored in the attic, and it just makes me kind of nervous because stuff gets brittle. Wood gets brittle when it's in the attic, and it just kind of dries out and might not be as strong. So we gotta just kind of give this a good check out here and make sure it's still sturdy. There's something wrong with the base. It's not sturdy on the base anymore. So we gotta figure out why it's like that and see if we can reliably correct this. I think it just screws on here. Yeah, let's take that screw out of there and see how big that screw is. And maybe we'll replace the screw with a bigger one or something to try to make it a little bit stronger. If needed, I don't know, it might be long enough. Let's see. Yeah, that's actually pretty reasonable. It looks like it's just screwed in here. See how this is cracked, is split. This is probably from it drying out in the heat of the attic. And one of the things I'm concerned about is if it splits down to the bottom and it falls. So maybe I'll put a hose clamp or something around the base of it. This way, if it does split, it won't lose its integrity. This is relatively long. I think that's probably good enough. Make sure we don't cross thread this as this goes in. Yeah, that seems pretty secure still. I think it'll be okay, but I do want to put a clamp on the bottom for sure, just as an extra sense of security. This is so difficult to do because I can't put this down because it'll just, all the branches will snap. The ones at the end are not very strong. It was always like that. But this is not going to be a fun thing to reassemble. Okay, I've got the original threads. It's going in nice and easy. We'll just slowly bring this in until it tightens. Now it's getting really stiff. I need a bigger screwdriver. Wow. Okay, I think I got it pretty good. It's definitely tight now. It's not wobbly anymore. And it generally feels very secure, but there is There is signs of it splitting at the bottom, so we'll get a hose clamp. We'll get a hose clamp and put it on the bottom to secure it. Now I just gotta find where I put the hose clamps. Let's see here. I know I have plenty of them. The hose clamps is one of those things I don't use very often. But when you need them, they are indispensable. Here they are. Alright, this should be the right size. This isn't super aesthetically appealing. I suppose I could paint this brown at some point if it bothers me. I'll just wrap the bottom in garland or something, you won't see it. That's actually a bit too long. Let me see if I have one that's just a touch shorter. I want as less leftover slack as possible. Maybe I can use this one. This is such an eye hazard. This tree. Yeah, this will work, and I won't have much slack left over. We'll just put this on down here at the bottom like this, and we'll clamp this down pretty tight, and then I'll feel better about this because now if it does crack or snap, it's still going to be structurally sound. Alright, that's good like that. I think it's fine, but it's easy enough to put on there. We'll call that cheap insurance for this. Okay, I'm content with this thing, the integrity of this thing now. So we can go ahead and put this upstairs and display my ornaments this year.